Hey, Fran Brunel here with Accelerated Manufacturing Brokers, Inc. We're a company that specializes in the sale of lower middle market manufacturing companies, and we do it nationally. So today, I don't know, today might be the most important in the series. And what I want to talk to you about is the fact that as you go through years in business, how to do business, what is necessary for growth and success changes over time, right? Many manufacturers, they start their business because they excel at engineering or machining. They love creation. They love the challenge of a difficult job, right? Um, but what happens then? If they're really nailing quality and on time delivery, your name is going to get out there, your customers are going to want more, and the business grows. And therein lies the problem. And this is a problem. It's not just manufacturers that face this, it's every entrepreneur faces this. You know, you went into business because you had a passion for something, but as the business grows, there are different layers. There's HR, hiring people, training people, leadership training, sales, marketing, business development, all of these different things. And you have to let go. You have to let other people in the organization take over some of these things. And you know what? Listen, I'm an entrepreneur for almost 30 years. And what I know for sure is that it's hard to let go. I get it. You know, we often think to have somebody in the company that's smarter than you in a particular area is a threat to you. No, it's not. That's a tool to you, and it's what's going to help you grow your business. I can't tell you the number of times people come to me to sell their company, and what they say is, this was fun when it started. I was so passionate about my work. And all of the fun is gone because all I'm doing is dealing with people with no work ethic. And then I have to rehire someone else. And then I have to train. And then I have to shop for insurance. And they're doing things that they're not passionate about. If you want to grow and you want to be successful, you've got to let other people do things that you don't have the passion for and or you're really not good at, right? One of those things might be accounting. I can't tell you how many times I see a manufacturer coming to us to sell their company. Their books are a mess. They know, some of them don't know the difference, what goes on a balance sheet versus what goes on the P&L. They have no idea what a statement of cash flows is. You know what? Hire somebody. Get help where you need it. Don't be afraid to get help. This is the way, this is the path to growth. And again, not just in manufacturing, this is every business owner goes through this. And you know what? Over time, there will be different layers. What you have to do is you get 10 people, changes when you have 20, and a whole different layer when you have 50 people, 100 people. The name of the game changes. And it's almost like in the last episode, I was talking about how sales has changed over the years. 30 years ago, when I went into business, you know, manufacturers, business would just come in the door. They weren't marketing. It was like an old boys club. But over time, the advent of the internet, of email, and as people retired out of the companies that they were doing business with, often the manufacturer would lose business because they had never been proactive about marketing. So, what's the point? What it takes to be successful in business changes as you grow, but it also changes over time because of what's happening in the world. And you need to be aware of both. So, hey, listen, I hope something in this series spoke to you and helped you. If it did, drop us a line, throw us a comment, and there is the link below where you could watch all of the episodes. Again, our sincere hope is that every manufacturer that has seen this has an additional tool to help them become successful and never ever see an auctioneer at the end of their career. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody.